In this episode of Veterinary Secrets, I'm going to talk to you about dog diarrhea and how you can quickly stop it at home.
When you're sliding into first and you're feeling something burst, diarrhea.
You've probably seen it many times, a soft pile of liquidy poop found on the rug under the kitchen table. In this video, I'm going to show you the most common causes of diarrhea in dogs, how it is clinically diagnosed, then lastly, the most important effective natural at-home remedies that you can be using to treat your dog's diarrhea. My man Lewis here is constantly eating things he shouldn't be. The result is diarrhea, and there's a few of these remedies that I'm constantly using that work great. Anything that upsets the digestive tract and results in water not being absorbed produces diarrhea. Some common causes include dietary indiscretion, such as eating compost, parasites, such as Giardia or roundworms, food allergy, infectious causes, such as salmonella or parvovirus, inflammatory changes, such as inflammatory bowel disease, similar to Crohn's disease in people, and pancreatic abnormalities, such as pancreatic insufficiency, common in German Shepherds. Diarrhea in dogs is categorized as being either small bowel diarrhea, it originates from the small intestine, or large bowel diarrhea, it originates from the colon. Small bowel diarrhea is generally large volume, not very frequent, at times with vomiting and weight loss. The causes of small bowel diarrhea are many, from parasites to infectious agents. Large bowel diarrhea, on the other hand, signs include frequent bowel movements, straining, with occasional mucus and blood, as pictured here. Most large bowel diarrhea is classified as colitis, being caused by dietary indiscretion. So what can you do? Well, first, if the diarrhea is severe and it's resulting in dehydration, this is a medical emergency and must be dealt with by your veterinarian. If you have a young, unvaccinated puppy, the diarrhea may have an infectious cause. Then you want to have your puppy examined by your vet. But if your dog is still very alert, active, and drinking, then you can consider trying some of the following home remedies. First, start by stopping food. Day 1. Stop putting food into your dog for 24 hours. This allows the intestines to rest and regenerate. Always have access to plenty of fresh water. Day 2. After 24 hours, you can introduce a bland food. Plain cooked white rice works great for dogs. Feed the equivalent cups of rice as you do their normal diet. Then day 3. After a day of the bland food, then mix half of their regular diet and half of the bland diet. By the end of day 3, they should be back on their normal diet. Probiotics. They work by helping restore the natural bacteria in the intestine, normalizing the intestinal immune system. The most effective supplement is Lactobacillus acidophilus. Give a quarter of a capsule per 10 pounds of body weight twice daily. I advise probiotics for all cases of diarrhea, but purchase them from a reputable source to ensure the probiotics are active. Pepto-Bismol. It's an old standby that can be very effective for dogs with diarrhea. The dog dose is 1 ml per 10 pounds of body weight, given 3 times daily for no more than 7 days. Kaopectate. It has a newer version that is safer for dogs. It contains a type of clay as the active ingredient which binds toxins, decreasing the fluid in the intestinal tract and subsequent diarrhea. The dose for dogs is 0.5 to 1 ml per pound by mouth every 4 to 6 hours. Treatment should only be needed for 1 to 2 days. Peppermint tea. Peppermint works great. It helps with intestinal gas and cramping. The dose is 25 milligrams per pound of body weight twice daily of the dried herb, 1 drop per pound twice daily of the tincture, or 1 tablespoon per 10 pounds twice daily of cool tea. There's one homeopathic that works especially well for dogs with diarrhea. It's called Arsenicum album. The dose is the 30C concentration. This is the arsenicum here. This is the 30C concentration. The dose I'm suggesting is 1 30C capsule for every 20 pounds of body weight given every 2 to 4 hours. So for Lewis, he's going to get 4 of the capsules here, and it's something as simple as just opening your dog's mouth, just putting it under his lips. He doesn't even necessarily need to swallow it. But what you do want to do is make sure that you close his mouth so it can become fully absorbed before he has a chance to spit it out. Good boy, Lewis. Like that. Thank you for watching this edition of Veterinary Secrets and how you can stop your dog's diarrhea at home. What I want you to do now is first click that link in the box above and you can subscribe to my channel. Then after that, you can click that link in the box below and I can send you my free books and videos on how to heal your dogs at home with my top natural remedies.